Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get to this final look. So let's just cut to the chase and keep on watching. Sippy? Okay. Time check, 7:05. Alright, we gotta be fast. Super excited to be going out tonight. I already have on my moisturizer. Today I used my Olay. Next step, I'm going to go straight into a primer. Because I'm going out tonight, I'm going to be using my Veil Primer. This is my favorite primer for going out. It's just really good for the pores. So I like to put it all over the T-zone. This is just my favorite finish. Just very silky smooth. I love that finish. And I've been rocking that sample size for I don't even know how long. Just let that sit in. So like my new way of doing things, I'm definitely gonna do this right now. I like to do my brows next and then I do everything else around my face. So I'm gonna do my brows. That's like so different I think than any video I've ever seen, but I'm just gonna do what I normally do. So today for brows, I am going to be using my NYX. It's like the small little palette. I've been really using the darker color, sometimes dipping into the gel to make the combination really stick on my eye. And then I just outline the bad boy. And then just keep going at it. Like a coloring book. I'm gonna do one and show you the difference because I really feel like it just totally frames the face. The face. That right there, that little like arch. That's pretty good in my book. Literally that's it. I know that people normally say that that's like the hardest part of their routine, but I feel like I've really gotten into a quick, easy brow. Like, come on, done. Let's do the other guy. So I did dark and then light. So just to talk a little bit, I'm really excited. Tonight, Tim and I are going out with our good friends, Brooke and Zanny. We call him Zanny, but really his name is Anthony. They're the Zannies. And anytime I think of their name, I think of the nanny, because it's like the Zannies, but yeah, really excited. We're gonna get some dinner. It was just my birthday. They're really awesome people, and any reason to like get together and like celebrate something is always like right up their alley, which I mean, you gotta keep those good people around. So that's what we're gonna do tonight, and I'm kind of rushing as I sit here and just like do my brows as if I have all the time in the world. Foundation. Maybelline 24-hour foundation. I really like this. It's in the color 118 light beige, and I'm really light. As you can see, these brows are like, wow, these brows are there. We're gonna make it all come together, don't you worry. So I'm just going to, pump, I would say like one, maybe a little, two, and then I just go all along the face with my finger. I really try to like, I'm not putting a lot of the product on my face. I'm trying to like spread it out, if you will. So I'm just gonna use my finger to like really move it around, and then I'm gonna use the Beauty Blender to buff it and blend it. Buff it, blend it, you know, just like synchronize it all in. I don't even think I addressed my mini ears, but full on today. Boop, boop. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do are the eyes. I'm really excited. I'm using a new palette today. I got it in a BoxyCharm, but to start off with the eye, I just like to put a little bit of concealer on top of the lid just to get it a little bit lighter. And to show you the palette, this is gorgeous. It's an Acai Beauty. I have no idea, just boom. These colors are just like out of this world. So that's what we're using tonight. We have about 10 minutes or so. Let's just go for it. I'm gonna go in with Sunset Rose, this gorgeous color here. And I'm just gonna use that as my transition color. Holy schmolies, the sunset is here. Okay, I'm gonna actually throw it all over the lid. I'm winging it, guys. I don't know if I actually have time for a wing, but as far as the look, this is a wing situation. Okay, it looks so light right now. I can't wait to bronze myself up. So just remember, we didn't set the face at all yet. We didn't do any concealer. We didn't do any warming of the face. Lauren, do you even know what you're talking about right now? Because you just said you have 10 minutes, and that sounds like a lot more than 10 minutes. Okay, Let's do this. Next up, we're gonna go with Lotus. A little purple color in there. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, no, not that one, this one. Ooh, I like the way that looks. Just gonna build it. And then on the actual lid, what I'm gonna do is one of these fancy schmancy colors. I think I'm gonna do Aruba. Let's go with Aruba. Yeah, that's pretty. Yes, I like it. Okay. I don't know if I'm whispering or not. I don't know, I kind of feel like I am. Sorry if I am. Turn up the volume. Boom, baby. I mean, honestly, I really think that this took not even 5 minutes. Real time, real time. Let's go back to Sunset Rose. Blend, blend, blend. Next thing I'm gonna do is eyeliner, a drop. This is where it really gets feisty. We're gonna use the NYX Matte Liner and we're gonna pray to the gods because that's just what you gotta do. And here we go. I'm just gonna go for it. I have a mirror right here. I already got something on my finger. My foot shaking. That is okay. So far, we're in good graces. What are we looking at? What are we doing? Are we looking good? I think so. We do this good. Ooh. I think we did it, Captain. Ooh. I feel like I'm digging it. The next step I'm gonna do is concealer. My eyes look so like irritated. I think it's because I tried a new concealer the other day under my eyes and that's just like really, I don't think it was a good one. Example A. But yeah. So that's gonna be that. I like how the eyes came out. Alright, let's blend this boy. We're starting off lightening and highlighting. Next up, we're gonna no shine it up. This is my favorite under eye brush by Real Techniques, and we're just gonna go in like this to set it. Okay, and then I take like the bigger brush, where is that, my big e.l.f. brush, and I like to just take a little bit all over. Really, I'm not into the extra shine. And now you guys are gonna be very happy, or at least I am, because we're about to warm it up. You got to warm it up. You know, warm it up. I'm gonna stop that now. Okay. Butter Bronzer is back. Happy 2020, guys. I'm using this to warm up the whole neck area because I am actually wearing this top tonight. I'm just going to give myself a little bit of sunshine. Okay, and then I'm just gonna bring this up by my cheeks. Jawline, over by the hairline, making sure I don't butcher the brows. A sweep under the eye, not too much because we just worked on lightening that. All right, so I'm already starting to see a huge difference. I'm gonna bring you closer for contour time. Anastasia, here we go. 20, got this guy for my sister for the holidays and I love it. I hope she's loving it too. It's my absolute favorite bronzer. I really love it. This is like rush mode, but what else is new? Anybody else like have so much time to do things, but you'll find other things to do and then you're like, oh my god, I have to leave, I have to go. All right, nose contour. I just do one of these. I don't want to have too much product and I really focus right at the bridge. This is the trick, right at the bridge, okay? And then right here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wowzers. Next up, let's do mascara. There was a new mascara in my BoxyCharm. Should I try it? The Petite and Pretty? I guess so. I'm gonna curl these bad boys first. Curl them. Okay. And then we're gonna try them. This is the Petite and Pretty from the BoxyCharms. From the BoxyCharm. Let's see what I think. I'm gonna hold it back. It's gonna be hard to give it like a first impression because I have liner on and I feel like that kind of changes the way the mascara looks, you know, it's like a different finish. But just off the bat, I will say I like the length I'm getting for a couple of swoops. Whoa, I'm into it. And then the next thing we're gonna do, because I'm already thinking about the next thing because we gotta go, is the lips. I'm gonna line them with this beautiful Steve Laurent. And I'm just gonna line the lips. Okay. And then for the actual lip color, I'm gonna use this Truffle by Joseph Color. Which really is a hint of the eyeshadow, I think. Boom. Next and last thing, I want to take, this was from this month's BoxyCharm as well. It's Chip for Two by Wander. You know what, honestly, it looks lame-o. Like, I don't even like it. I'm gonna try it, the Bellini. I'm gonna just do this as blush. Do you see anything? I don't know. Whatevs. Let's set it with my Hangover 3X. And that's it. Oh wait, the last thing that I like to do is add a little bit of shine since my shoulders are out. I'm just going to add a little bit of the Aruba color and I'm just going to add shine over here. This really makes a difference. Check out the nose. Gives it like a little bit of poppy. Oh, poppy. Okay. And that is the complete look. Hair down. It's up in a bun. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.